Good morning, Vivites. So, very good morning, Vivites. Good morning, Mr. Venkatesham, Santosh D'Souza, Sendil Kumar, Nisha Rose. Very good morning, Mr. Harjeet, Mohammad Manzoor, Vicky Sharma, Sheikh Bashir Ali. Very good morning, Saujal, Raj Bangaram. Very good morning, Ronaldo, Sahil Rajput, Suraj Kant, Shruti Naidu. A very good morning, Saurabh Aman, Ashok, Munussami, Rahim. A very good morning, Mr. Pradeep Sharma. I hope my video and audio are clear to everybody. I hope my visuals and audibility is okay to everyone. Very good morning, Mr. Manikandan, Mr. Gagandeep, Harshit Singh, Satya, Suresh Kumar, Mr. Darshan. A very good morning, Ms. Asha Shobanan, Vijay. A very good morning to all the Vivites. A very good morning, Mr. Santosh, Harish Kumar, Tejesh, Gokulnath. A very good morning, Ms. Karishma, Tejesh, Ms. Charu Gupta, Mr. Saurabh, good morning. I welcome you all to this wonderful session again on this Thursday, the second week of our Facebook Live series, the continuous Facebook Live series. So today is the Eye Glow Day. So today is the Eye Glow Day, which is otherwise Thursday is actually called as the Eye Glow Day. Let us all have a bit of eye glow today. So a very good morning, Mr. Sahil, Mr. Sarath Babu, Uwais Mohammed, Jonet Karam, Christy Joseph, Meenakshi Sharma, Subhash Day. A very good morning to everyone. I hope my voice and video are clear. So let me start my session today of this continuous Facebook Live series on our wellness products. Well, my dear friends, as I told you, this is the Eye Glow Day or the Thursday. So this is the second week in our Facebook Live series on Eye Glow. And as previously discussed, I would like to take you through some of the major updates which happens in the field of cosmetics and nutri-cosmetics around the world and how relevant it is to our product so far as the current scenario is concerned. This is also very important, so that it gives you a lot of room as well as the ways for promoting the products, especially a product like Eye Glow, which is pertaining to the nutri-cosmetics segment. Well, my dear friends, I would like to start the session now. As previously told to you, It is always important for you people to shoot your questions right now till I end my session 4 or 5 minutes from now. So later on I will be answering the questions which were unanswered last week. Followed by I will be taking up new questions which my colleagues are collecting, so that I will be able to answer or cover up your questions as well. Well, my dear friends, let me start this session today on iGlow. See, there is a very important online journal or a blog called as the Telegraph. Telegraph is one of the most famous online journals. On the May 20th, 2020, that was yesterday, one of the articles was published on it. The article says, beauty brands boom in crisis, cosmetic online sales have increased in the COVID times. See, this is very important. Cosmetic online sales and the use of cosmetics or the requirement of cosmetics have boomed or increased or spiked up in this crucial COVID-19 times. Especially the skincare and eye care products, the home coloring kits are more in demand so far as the cosmetic segment is concerned. So my dear friends, don't have to worry about COVID-19 situation so far as the use of nutri-cosmetics are concerned. It is having a boom. That is what the most of the major journals are telling. This was the news yesterday. Similarly, another important article which appeared in the same Telegraph yesterday was anti-aging cosmetics. Anti-aging cosmetics, the market size is expected to reach $60.26 billion by 2026. I'd like to reiterate this again. It is going to spike up to $60.26 billion by 2026, which means that the anti-aging cosmetics is also improving like anything, irrespective of the crucial COVID-19 lockdown. Well, my dear friends, iGlow, as you know, iGlow is a very important nutri-cosmetic as well as a very important anti-aging formulation as well. I hope you got my point now. Your promotional strategy has to be an anti-aging supplement which is consumed orally, whereas it shows its anti-aging benefits from the external on the skin. This is how the promotional strategy of iGlow should be. It is an oral anti-aging supplement. Oral in the sense that which is consumed by the mouth. This is what exactly is called as nutri-cosmetics. And as I have been telling on everyday basis, I would like to reiterate this thing again. All the Indus Viva products are frontline immune booster supplement products. This is very important concept that everybody has got to know and understand. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, the other important article which appeared on May the 19th, 2020, 2 days back, was the demand for organic cosmetics around the world is increasing like anything. The demand for organic cosmetic products. Why I am telling you, I am stressing you the word organic is most of the cosmetic products or nutri-cosmetic products which are present in this world, they are coming into the synthetic cosmetics. They are not 100% natural. And if you are considering about the organic cosmetics, they are very, very less in numbers. And we should be proud as Indus Viva because Indus Viva's products are 100% organic in nature. We come under the organic cosmetics. So, whenever you are promoting this iGlow to someone, some of your downlines or some of your prospects, you should be able to tell these lines. Our product iGlow is an organic nutri-cosmetic product. I repeat this again. This is an organic nutri-cosmetic product. So, as far as the article is concerned, the demand for organic cosmetics is continued to increase even during the COVID-19 pandemic phase, which is a very important thing for all of us. So there are two leads what I told you today. One is an anti-aging cosmetic, the second is an organic cosmetic. These are the two ways that you can promote this product. So that more and more validated sales can come to you. So the next article that I am going to talk about here is called as, see, it is from an online blog as well as the journal called as Business Wire. It's called as Business Wire. It was published on May the 12th, 2020. They clearly say that the nutri-cosmetic market is expected to grow by 1.51 billion US dollars by 2024 with a compound annual growth rate CAGR percentage of 5% during the forecast period, which means to say that even after the lockdown is over, also the growth of nutri-cosmetics is very much on the increase, so that even a product like iGlow can definitely perform well in the market so far as your promotional strategies are concerned. So what I've been telling even in the last week and this week, please follow these promotional ideas so that you can get better sales out of this wonderful nutri-cosmetic product. I hope you understood my point. Well, the next question, going ahead with the slide, what I'm seeing here is the natural cosmetic markets. I've talked about the organic cosmetic market. The next thing is, overall, if I talk about the natural cosmetics market in the world, people around the world are preferring more and more natural cosmetics. This is very important. As I've previously told you, all these cosmetics are mostly synthetic or semi-synthetic in nature, whatever people are applying outside. But so far as the natural cosmetic segment is concerned, even the companies are very less in numbers and the people using it are more in numbers actually, because they believe that natural cosmetics will not have any kind of side effects on your skin, which is 100% true. Well, people are now more looking into 100% natural cosmetics, 100% organic cosmetics, 100% natural cosmetics with no preservatives. This is also very important. People are looking into no preservatives. The fourth thing is harmful chemicals. They don't want chemicals to be added in the products and the pesticides and fertilizers not to be added in the products. This is what the segment about the nutri-cosmetics, what people are looking into around the world. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you that iGlow is a product which is 100% natural, with no preservatives, with no harmful chemicals, with no pesticides and fertilizers. So one can consume this iGlow product very easily without having any worry about side effects or the adverse effects which is going to happen on the skin. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, as I previously told you, in each and every product that I am speaking on a daily basis, I am concentrating on one major ingredient of the product. So yesterday, if you see, we have spoken about, initially we have spoken about the salsitol, so we have spoken about the acai berries, right? So we are speaking about each and every ingredient like this. So today we are speaking about an ingredient which is major ingredient in iGlow called as saffron. Saffron is otherwise called as kesar. Everybody knows what saffron is, but I would like to tell you most of the important things of saffron which goes into this product iGlow. This is a very important thing that everybody should know so that your sales strategy also becomes very easy. Saffron, everybody knows it is a flower actually, right? Saffron is a flower. Saffron is available in different parts of the world, but saffron, which is present in Kashmir Valley of India, is considered to be one of the best available saffron in the whole world. Kashmiri saffron is the best available saffron in the whole world, and my dear friends, iGlow is a product which contains the best available Kashmiri saffron. This is a very important thing. So, I'd like to tell you one more important article which appeared in the paper Hindu. The paper Hindu, newspaper Hindu, on May 3rd, 2020 has published an article on Kashmir saffron. I don't know if someone has gone through this, but please listen to this. The newspaper Hindu tells about saffron like this. Saffron, especially from Kashmir, has been given a geographical indication tag. It is called as a GI tag, geographical indication tag. My dear friends, you know what the importance of geographical indication is? Whenever a particular ingredient is given a geographical indication tag, it means that it is the most prominent ingredient for exports from India, which means that the Kashmiri saffron has been given the geographical indication tag, and it is the much more, whenever it is, the prevalence of saffron is concerned around the world, It is the best saffron which is available in the world, and the whole world wants it actually. And India needs to export this particular saffron to the whole world. That is the actual meaning of geographical indication tag. And Kashmiri saffron has obtained the tag. And my dear friends, I want to tell you this. Leave the point of export. Indus Viva is fortunate enough to get the best available, the 100% quality Kashmiri saffron, and which we are using in our product without any problems. So you can tell people that Indus Viva's product iGlow is the only product which is available in India. It is the first of its kind available product in India, which contains the best Kashmiri saffron, which is considered to be the best in the world and has a geographical indication tag. This is what exactly saffron is all about. I hope you got this point clear. This is also one of the important promotional strategies that you can have. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, saffron, when it is seen as a whole, Iran is a country which produces it's the largest producer of saffron in the world actually. Iran produces the largest amounts of saffron. On an average, it produces over 300 tons of saffron every year. Over 30,000 hectares of land in Iran. That is how Iran is actually producing the saffron. But so far as the quality of saffron is concerned, our own Indian Kashmir saffron is considered to be the best available saffron in the whole world. My dear friends, this is what we are using it in iGlow. And one more thing I want to tell you here, there are 3 types of saffron which is available in Kashmir. I would like to tell you the names in short. One is called as a Lacha saffron, the second is called as a Mongra saffron, the third is called as a Gucci saffron. Okay, I just like to repeat these terms again. You can see it on the website. One is called as a Lacha saffron, the second is called as Mogra saffron, the third is called as Gucci saffron. This is actually the processing of the saffron which happens in Kashmir Valley, and we are directly collecting the raw material from the Kashmir Valley. We are adding saffron into the iGlow in 2 forms. Please listen to this carefully. We are adding saffron in iGlow in 2 forms. One is the extract of saffron which goes into the iGlow. The second is the actual saffron thread which goes into the iGlow. So whenever you are opening the pack of iGlow and consuming this, you will be getting the actual saffron thread inside the iGlow. That is the raw material of saffron itself. The second thing that we are adding into the iGlow is actually the extract of saffron which is mixed into the combination of iGlow or the formulation of the iGlow. I hope you got my point clear. If somebody had a doubt how saffron is added, these are the 2 ways in which saffron is added into the product of iGlow. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, one more thing I want to tell you here. The global market for saffron is increasing like anything. Now people are understanding, especially the cosmetic companies around the world, maybe it in Europe or US or wherever it is. Now the cosmetic companies are actually getting a point that use of natural products, especially a natural ingredient like saffron, is very important for marketing the products. This is very, very important thing. Now they are getting to know the value of this natural ingredient. And now the experts, the business experts around the world are telling that especially the nutri-cosmetic market is going to boom like anything, and saffron will be the most wanted ingredient around the world. I hope this point is clear to everyone. This is how the saffron story is actually being built up around the world. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, coming back to the saffron again, I'll tell you another important thing which goes into our product. Whenever we add the extract of saffron into our product, the extract contains 3 major parts. The extract of the saffron contains 3 major parts. The first part is called as crocin. Crocin is not the tablet that you use for fever. Crocin is actually an ingredient which is present in saffron, which gives the color for the saffron. So whenever you put the saffron in milk or water, it turns orange. It is because of the ingredient called as crocin. The second ingredient is called as saffronal. Saffronal gives you the flavor of saffron. So whenever you add saffron in your milk or whatever the juice or whatever you make, the smell that you get out of it is because of saffronal. And the third ingredient which is present in saffron extract is called as picrocrocin, which is causing the bitterness in saffron. So my dear friends, if someone has tasted the saffron directly, it is actually bitter to taste. The best saffron is most bitter. This is what the actual botanical science says. And So far as the activities of the saffron is concerned, saffron is a very good antioxidant. It is a very good anti-aging ingredient. And if you see the scientific publications on saffron, there are a lot of studies for anti-cancer benefits of saffron also. And the fourth thing is, it has very good skin benefits. So these are the four major activities of saffron that you can see. So the next important thing what we are seeing here is, what are the benefits of this saffron in eye glow? See, saffron is actually called as a spice also. Most of you might not know this. People think that spice is only the ginger, the pepper or chili or whatever it is. But saffron is also considered to be a spice. It is the most expensive spice available in the world actually. And saffron was actually documented in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda, which were dating back to 5,000 years. Saffron is not an ingredient which is documented in 1 or 2 years. It was documented 5,000 years back in the textbooks of Ayurveda. Saffron is known to have the best antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is especially used for managing your pimples or acne and skin breakouts. And saffron is also an ingredient which is known for repairing your skin and rejuvenating your skin. This is very important. Whenever a person ages, whenever the biological age increases, the skin also ages. Whenever you are consuming the product with saffron, the anti-aging properties of the saffron will reduce your skin's age, so that one person who is actually 60 years old, because of the anti-aging properties, will look 10 years younger. This is what exactly is called as anti-aging property. I hope you understood my point actually. Well, going ahead my dear friends, saffron also has various other benefits in the body. Especially it causes skin lightening. See, normally what exactly happens, like there are two tones in the skin. One is called as a darker skin tone, the other is called as a lighter skin tone. Whenever you have a darker skin tone and when you are consuming the saffron, the skin is bound to turn light tone. This is how it happens. The second thing is anti-aging benefit. The third is anti-wrinkle properties. Fourth is skin moisturization. This is also very important. Normally, people who are having dry skin are prone to various kinds of skin diseases or various kinds of skin issues or problems. Whenever the skin's moisture is intact, no skin issues will come to you. So, regular consumption of eye glow, what will exactly happen is, your skin moisture will be maintained, the hydration of the skin will be maintained, so automatically you will not have any kinds of skin issues. I hope you got my point clear. So, the next thing is the dark spot reduction. Normally these dark spots are seen on your face and the different parts of the skin as well. So in order to reduce the dark spots, it is always important to consume eye glow. Blemish control. I would like to tell what this blemish is all about. Blemish is a situation where you have one pimple on your skin, you will develop another pimple, because what people do is, whenever you have a pimple on your skin, you try to squeeze your pimple like this and touch it with your nails, right? This actually causes excess infection and it will cause more and more pimples. So all these pimples will join with each other. All the pimples will join with each other, and that is actually called as a blemish. That blemish will eventually turn into a kind of a mark on your skin. It causes some kinds of a dark colored marks. That is exactly called as a blemish. By the regular consumption of eye glow, one can get rid of these blemishes also. I hope my point is clear to you. It also gives you a wonderful radiant complexion. It reduces your skin damage, because we are exposed to a lot of pollution outside. A regular consumption of eye glow will reduce your skin damage. It causes overall skin rejuvenation. See, I am just showing my face. That doesn't mean that it doesn't work on other parts of the skin. Eye glow in fact is a holistic product. Like any other industry or product, eye glow is also a holistic product which works from your head till the toe, wherever your skin is there. This is what exactly eye glow is meant for, not only for the face. It is also a very good liver detox. It detoxifies your liver, it purifies your blood, automatically it produces a glow on your skin. Your complexion will be enhanced. This is what exactly eye glow is meant for. I hope my points are clear to you, my friends. This is how eye glow has to be promoted. Okay. So, thank you my dear friends. So, this was what a short topic on eye glow I had to speak today. So now this is a question answer time. First of all, I would like to take the questions which were asked last week, so which were left unanswered actually. So the first question what I am seeing here is from Mr. Babu. So I am trying to answer the questions of last week. So Babu has asked, diabetes patients can use eye glow. Definitely yes. Diabetes patients can use eye glow because eye glow does not contain sugar. It contains the fruit concentrates which are having fructose sugar inside it, which are inherently present in the fruit juices, and it does not contain added sugar. So diabetes patients can definitely use eye glow. Pregnancy person can take eye glow. This is a question from Ms. Soni. Definitely yes, up to 6 months of pregnancy is always advised. After 6 months of pregnancy it is not advised. The third question I am seeing here is from Mr. Pawan. If someone has a fatty liver, what should we advise, eye pulse or eye glow? You can advise both eye pulse and eye glow in case of fatty liver issues. The next question is from Mr. Ravi. I have vitiligo, I am using eye pulse. Now I can use eye glow. Definitely yes. But I would like to tell you, my dear friend, eye glow is not a product which is positioned for vitiligo, but eye pulse along with eye glow can definitely be used in such conditions. My black spots has been got finished by using eye glow. Okay, I'll try to reframe the question actually. I'm just taking the questions, so as the questions I received from the distributors. So my black spots have been relieved by using eye glow. This is a very, very good testimony. This is from Miss Jyoti. Thank you for sharing this testimony. My dear Vivites, you can have listen to this testimony actually. Miss Jyoti has told that her black spots have been completely relieved by using this eye glow. One of the very good testimonies that we have. So the next question is from Mr. Josh. Consuming eye glow during and after pregnancy, is it safe or not? As I previously told you, up to 6 months of pregnancy it is always useful. After childbirth it can definitely be used. The next question is from Mr. Mohammed Khalid. If we stop eye glow, then any side effects? Absolutely not. As I previously told you, for any wellness product, I would always suggest you to use it at least for a period of 3 months or 90 days, so that it is always having beneficial effects on the body. So the next question what I am seeing here is from Mr. Dheeraj. Is eye glow effective for vitiligo? I have already told you this. Eye glow is not a product which is meant for vitiligo. So these were the questions for last week, my dear friends. So let me now go through the questions which my colleague Mr. Akbar has collected today. So the first question is from Mr. Darshan. Will eye pulse or eye glow cure skin ringworms? See, again I would like to tell you this. Ringworm is actually a fungal infection or a disease. For such conditions, eye glow is not useful. You have to consult your dermatologist for such issues. So the next question what I am seeing here is from Mr. Boris. Is omega-3 fatty acids available in eye glow? No, it doesn't contain omega-3 fatty acids. The next question is from Mr. Venkat. Can you please suggest problems for PCOD problems? See, I would like to tell you, Mr. Venkat, see, eye glow is not a product which is indicated for such issues. This is only for the skin issues that we are discussing today. But still, since you have asked these questions, we will note this question. On the day of eye pulse, I will be able to answer your question. I promise you that. So the next question is from Miss Reena. Used eye glow for my under eye thing and it got decreased. How eye glow works on under eye problems. See, this is one of the other good testimonies that we have. One of the distributor is telling me that her under eye dark circles have been reduced by using eye glow. I would like to tell you, my dear friends, whatever the under eye dark circles you have is nothing but hyperpigmentation. It is nothing but your pigmentation has increased. So eye glow along with saffron, as I've told you now, it has the property of reducing your dark tone to light tone. That is the reason why the under eye dark circles would have reduced. This is how eye glow is actually working on your skin. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question from Mr. Uwais. Does consumption of eye glow will gain weight? Absolutely not. You don't have to worry about weight gain by consuming eye glow. The next question is from Mr. Jonet. Why eye glow does not come in capsule form? Okay, it's a very good question actually. Well, my dear friends, already we have seen eye glow is a product which has to be consumed in the form of a drink. Capsules can only hold a small quantity of ingredients, whereas when it comes to the concept of skin, it is always to be consumed by at least 35 gram dosage. Whenever you see an iGlow pouch, it is having 35 ml dosage in it. It is always better for the skin problems, for the people to consume at least 35 ml so that their skin is benefited actually. I hope you got my point. Capsule is meant for only some kind of a nutraceutical purpose, but we are using here the product here for a nutri-cosmetic purpose. So it is always better to consume the product in a liquid form rather than a capsule form. The next question and the last question for the day that I am taking today is from Ms. Kirtana. Will fire burn marks can be cured with the help of iGlow? Sorry Ms. Kirtana, I cannot assure you all these things because fire burn marks is a permanent damage on the skin. It is always important for you to consult a dermatologist and then take the further processes ahead. iGlow is a dietary supplement, a wellness based product which is only for day-to-day routine skin issues which happens on the body and not for such wounds issues or issues with the burn wounds or something like that. So I would not like to assure you on these points, Ms. Kirtana, sorry for that. So with this, I would like to end this session of iGlow today. I hope you have got the information, some information on iGlow, how to promote these products in the market with some of these newer updates relevant to the COVID-19 scenario that is persistent around us today and for future also. Well, my dear friends, thanks for all your questions. I hope I have answered you. So don't worry about your questions. Suppose if I have not answered today, the next week, Thursday will be another iGlow day where I will be taking up your questions again and I will be answering them. So that's it for today, my dear friends. Thanks for your patient listening. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, speaking you live from Viva Tower, Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office at Bangalore. That's it for now. I am logging out. Thanks very much. Have a nice day. Bye.